And I'm no matter me eto dwana Ghana for bebe na criticize na criticize na no more criticizing na videos babonten na nkofo ya anase ye mpanyimfo ya ejai ehye wo mu anase akonhia no eto wo mu omo hye dwobedwobre yi ye hu se omomu no ye de agu sabio kokko bottom ne nkofo esoso nkofo kokko afom a yedi emu no ebepie mu ewo nkrampoponi mantem a na sa video no circulate ko viral no Ghana for bebe na criticize bebe na kasatia say empanyimfo amfa obuo amma enkofo yi na se o ma anya ade kra enkanka obi ade sobo no ebo Ashanti regional minister Amakohene ese de oyeye no anya ade kra esan say adenti ana torenchemi esi na body bags ewo he moantumi amfa body bags ama mesesa omamu a koko boto ana mode omamu no egu mu enti no mo bisa ana asema mo pe anu yiye ede amasa ensemi seni nyina no finally aba mountain na now no Ministry of Defense omososo etumi de nema egu akwam ama chese omoye nipa baako ama sa nipa no eso omra na ni omechechre mu de enti a saa esiye na omochira de enti a omodes emui egu kokko botom ene se emre omo ekopie so no na se emu no ayehye se we obi na wo hwe video ni bi pan ya mra na eja no ehye ma enye dade na kamia kasa no me sheda emfa mani ehu se ja ehye obi sa na always be ano I think say nipa yemu nso weyemu moja weyemu say niema na ewo weyemu no eja to mu kra na enhye because moja no bedum no ne ade say na obesie keji tufo adwen na medwen na ebusia wo hwe de wa eja no esi eda nipa mu na ehye a otimu se nipa yensehwe fact na ewo yemu no fact na ewo nipa mu no eja to mu a anse wo crank yi tina se eja no na ehu pan yi enti no mo so mo kwoto owuo no so sa no na se eja no eba afom a mutumi efa emu na emu ni yehye na ehye pa enti se o mo ka so mo di gu body bags ma enya ade se ebeyi enti na wo so mo pe bibia emu odu na omutumi edigum na omode emu no ebepie mu ewo enkran ema mo ede emu no egu kokko botomu ema omode eba enkran na nipa ode sa enchemu we ebetu dwa Chief of Defense and the Major General William Ejapon ono na etumi ede sa enchemu we aba mountain a o chese de esi enyi na anye se bo apayo bi nti ana omutumi ede emu no egu kokko botomu na nam hye na hye no na entumi enko body bags mu no ene nam so nti a omode egu kokko botomu yentie ne nsem no ene ne chiremu no se na esitie.
The medical team was also following up with everything that they needed just in case they were survivors. At the team site, our personnel did whatever they will do. It was getting very late. The place had been sealed off. And I'll not use the word cordon off because we didn't even know the extent to which the wreckage had dispersed. As I speak today, every day the personnel on the ground keep expanding the search because we don't know exactly where all the wreckage, the bits and parts of the aircraft might be. Let me just run it up by saying that we had to do the recovery effort with the available and appropriate material we have on the ground. We had some body bags at the scene, but the remains were so heated that it was not conducive for the bags to be used. It was in a thick forest. It was getting late. We had the option of leaving our remains there till the following day, and we know what could have happened to the bodies. So the team that was up there assessing the situation decided to use available material they could lay hands on to start to descend the high ground. At the foot of the hill, they met the medical team, and with the body bags that they had, some of which have been also sent from Anglo Gold Ashanti, they kept our fallen heroes in those bags decently. They kept them in ambulances and sent them to Kumasi, where they were kept in coffins and draped in national colors, befitting their status as patriots of this country. Subsequently, we moved them to Accra, and you saw the kind of reception that was arranged for them back in Accra. Let me say that all these things were done hurriedly. So there might have been some mistakes. In the morning when the aircraft was taking off, nobody expected any such disaster. But from the crash to Accra, it's possible, likely, that some things might have been done that were not in conformity with our culture. But I must tell you that those who are on the ground assess the situation, and from where I stand and looking back, I think that they did the best with the resources that they had at hand.
To me, this I say to just say, bra, I say, see, and just so because send a buy and also mutimi, near my equaquem, no mutimi, arranging for coffins, and then be a ma crass, so mutimi, arranging for name be a ma baby to me, a any who no, a year, nanu quada, I chamo, ne numre, who send a course so a wo my moo. Now, see, the entia, I went to me and found a body bags in Munina and say, na a mono, a yes, she, and a yes, she. And there's no doubt about that because say, who video ni been quite there, you can't doubt say, na a yes, she. Because you can see how they were burning and they were no musician. And I did one this situation and say, plane na nkasa na say helicopter na nkasa na body parts no ewo ho anhye but nipa na ewom no nipa yen se hwe de we aja de nipa mu na ehye a timu say we wo baby ko nipa we have a long way to go. And this particular death no we west enemy cry you wouldn't wish say onipa wo tan no kra no ube hu say onwu say because ewu a sebio yenya wamu ehu se nipa no no nie nipa ya wowu no no nie enti ma me hwe ni bi na me nko da bi ewu bi sa de eya pa because wo enko enye se ewu na enim se obi wu na ya de da no na ene ekwa odampem ya hye ne suit ebi wa ya hye no bridal dress ni ade ene emu makeups ni mu frontal aye be hyehyɛ awokwa wo hwe na ni megara chichire wonim say wo hu no last respect wo de amano. But this particular death it is very, very painful. And after all this no some of the Ghanaians around and I say in this country ebemu etoto ayampia ene okọ social media ne so a obia kasa obia hye na dwobi mu class na omowu a efa ne ho ben koso munye sika na anye omoni ye na edi any kwanse Ghana for ye bibisa because wo hwe de we a ekoso na se nipa no ye wo busuani se wonyi wo busuani wo se wonya abadaye bi ma no because owuo bi sei esia na wonya platform so aba social media no so be ka se omunye sika omunkwa no mudi ombehhehye bo akese omunni so enti no ene omunya omuwu a so omunkwa no mawu senka sebio saa nipa koro ya wo kasa asemi senka wo ye nebusuani a ka you know how it feels say me kona makra me kwa abawo na wa mabiem is very very painful enti na say mo ana mo bisa questions bebre na mo bisa saa de enti ana emu no yamfa anto body bags mu ne de gu kokoboto ni na ne say na emu no ehye eja ewo mu pan ya omude gu body bags mu a enye ntade so omude gu kokoboto mu enti anu nti na yehu saa video no say e viral